Assalamu alaikum class 1. Now we are moving towards unit 6 and the name of the unit 6 is materials and objects. Materials and objects. You know all the things in the world. Either they are big or small. They are made of materials. They are made of materials. And you know there are two kinds of materials. One is man-made material, जो कि आदमी ने खुद बनाया, and one is natural material. One is man-made material and the other is natural material, जो अल्लाह ने खुद ब खुद कायनात में पैदा किया हुआ है. जो man-made material भी है बेटा, वो भी हम actually natural material से ही use करते हैं. Natural material को use करके हम उससे different kind of materials बनाते हैं, जिसको फिर हम man-made material कहते हैं. अब जितनी भी दुनिया में चीजें देखते हैं, जैसे आप इस पेज के ऊपर देखिए, पेज नंबर 55, there are many things which are made of different materials. They have different colors and different shapes and different sizes also. So, and we have learned many times that there are two types of things, living and non-living. So objects are of different shapes. These are the objects which are having the different shapes. The round shape, the circle shape, the oval shape, the square, the rectangle, different shapes. Objects are of different sizes. Different shapes होती हैं, different colors होते हैं, different material होता है और different उनके sizes होते हैं. क्या होता है? Things are in different sizes, different in shapes and different in colors. And different in materials. मुख्तलिफ मटेरियल से बनी होती हैं, कलर्स डिफरेंट होते हैं, मुख्तलिफ होते हैं, उनके साइजेस डिफरेंट होते हैं और उनकी शेप्स डिफरेंट होती हैं. And even their texture is also different. Like some are very rough, some are very smooth, some are very hard, and some are very soft. If we see the curtain, they are very soft and smooth. If we see the log, it would be very hard and a very rough surface, and it would be if we look at the mat, it would be very soft and maybe it would be the rough also, and it can be smooth also. अगर तो silky material का है तो smooth होगा, अगर थोड़े rough texture से है तो थोड़ा rough होगा. So this is a slide. This is very smooth. आपको पता है कि आप जब slide लेते हो तो कितनी smooth होती है. This is made of metals. This is made up of metals. ये metal की बनी होती है and it's very smooth. So different things made up of different materials, and materials are rough, smooth, hard or soft in the texture, and materials can be the heavy and light also. This machine is very heavy and this glasses is very soft. So look at this picture. You can see many things in these pictures. They all made up of different kind of materials. They all made up of different kinds of materials. So look what kind of material is made by the man and what kind of material is made by the nature. Man-made materials: paper, rubber, steel, glass, plastic. These all materials are made by the man. ये आदमी ने खुद बनाए हैं, लेकिन इनके बनाने में भी उसने नेचुरल मटेरियल को यूज किया है. नेचुरल मटेरियल को इस्तेमाल किए बगैर ये मटेरियल्स भी नहीं बन सकते थे. लाइक पेपर जो है वो हम वुड से बनाते हैं, ग्लास जो है वो हम सैंड से बनाते हैं. सो वी यूज नेचुरल मटेरियल टू डेवलप द मैन-मेड मटेरियल. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? ओके, हाउ वी यूज मटेरियल. पोज कर दो, सारी दोबारा से बनी. इसमें चूं